And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And what we have here today is the very first Kamen Rider bike to be turned into a model kit. It is the figurized standard Trychaser 2000. And as you can see, yes, this is Kuga's personal bike. So let's admire the box art first. If I remember correctly, this is episode 4 of Kamen Rider Kuga, wherein he is chasing a Grongi that rides a bike also. So, off to the side, we can see here Trychaser, front and back, how you could display him. So, it's either using the stand or the, what you call this, designated display base or the side stand. There is some new accessories for Kuga, new manipulators, and of course, did you know that the handle of Trychaser 2000 can be turned into a baton stick? You know, that police baton. Yeah. And here you can see Kuga riding it. And here we go off to the side. Yeah, this is the information about Trychaser and its episode in Kuga, and of course information about the kit. So let's take a look inside what's inside it. So first off, we see one bag with a golden runner, another bag with a silver runner, third bag we have a rubber tire here and a black runner. Fourth bag we have a dark or a gunmetal runner, and of course another rubber tire. Last bag contains a multicolored runner, a wire, sticker sheet, and a spring. And lastly, yes, what we can see is the instruction manual. So let's take a look on the runners one by one. First off, we have runner A, the only multicolored runner, which has a clear red plastic, clear blue plastic, red plastic, and a silverish gray plastic. So probably the body for the bike. This would be the lights, some parts of the bike as well. Yeah. So this is runner A. Then we have runner B, a all golden runner. So this is for the tires, and I think this is for the back, for the handlebars. Yep. So that's runner B. Then we have runner C, a all black runner. And here, here it is, the new manipulators for Kuga. So that's runner C. We have runner D, a all silver runner. So more parts for the tires and other parts for the motorcycle. Yep. That's runner D. Lastly, we have runner E, which looks to me is a gunmetal runner. So most likely, yeah, the machine parts for the motorcycle. And as I've shown you earlier, they also provide you 2 rubber tires. Yeah, they're rubber, very hard rubber tires. Of course, it's a motorcycle, so why wouldn't it have none? Or then we have, as I showed you earlier, also we have a spring, a wire. Actually, there are 2 sticker sheets, 1 full sticker and 1 transfer sheet. So the transfer sheet actually is, yeah, Kuga's emblem, and most of the full stickers will be parts of the motorcycle. And the wire, I think it's for the brake lines. And yeah, the spring, of course, there is a spring in every motorcycle for suspension and stuff. And yes, of course, they give you the instruction manual. Now, there's something good about this instruction manual, is that there are instructions here that tells you to cut approximately how long of the wire, and they provide you with a mini ruler to do that. So you can measure the wire here and cut it accordingly. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks, on what's inside the box of Trychaser 2000 Figurized Standard, the very first Kamen Rider motorcycle to be turned into a plastic model kit. So if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, sharing the video, and viewing other videos. And this is Mixerwars saying, until next time, see you!